So you will go to your one of the sites you already have. Actually, I will just email you a copy of a backup that you can use. So you would just go set up your hosting, and you should have a cPanel screen that looks like this. And you want to hit File Manager, and you want to go to the public HTML file. And we're going to upload a copy of the site. And I'll email you this backup copy of it. But you hit Upload, select File. I'll send you a copy of this file name called public HTML zip, and basically that's just a backup copy of the website. And we'll let it upload. It's about 186 meg, so it's pretty good size. But once it uploads, we'll extract it. All right, then you go back to this, hit Reload. You will see that it's uploaded this. You right click over it, hit Extract, and hit Extract Files. And once it's extracted, you need to move it. So we're going to double click on it, and it'll open all the files up. Select all of them, click on the top one and hold your shift key down. And click on the last one and it'll highlight all of them. Right click, hit move. And you want to move it to the public HTML file, so just delete this one. So we're going to move all those files to the main folder. And you go back here, you see they're all there. Now, once that's done, you're going to need to edit the config file. So you're going to have to set up a database. So in order to do that, I'll also send you a copy of the database. You hit My SQL Database. And you just create one, name it whatever you want to name it. I name them, I usually always use the same password, username, password. Alright, and once we do that, there's a couple steps you've got to go through here. So let's just create one, and I'll show you how to do it. We'll name it DB1, hit Create Database. Go back, and you want to go down here and create a user. So we'll call it DB user. Oh, sorry, it's in the wrong spot. Go down here to user, hit DB user, set whatever password you want to set, and hit create user. Go back. Now we need to add the user, so we're going to hit add, all privileges, hit make changes. So now you would go back over here to the config file and you need to edit it. Right click over it, hit edit. So right here you want to change this to whatever the file was, or whatever the database name was you set up. So in this instance, we set up health DB. So we want to paste that here under database name. I think we did health DB user on this one. And put in whatever password you put in and hit save changes. All right, so the next step is we need to upload the database. So go back to the cPanel, hit My PHP Admin. You want to click right here on this, or just hit Import. Choose File, and I will send you this file as well, but hit Open and go. And what that's going to do is import the database. Okay, once that's done, you need to click on the plus sign, go to whatever database. This one has multiple ones on there, so well, for some reason it didn't import it. Let's do this again. All right, so go to that database, and you need to go to Options. And you need to change these two right here. Hit Edit. Let's see, this site is A to Z Health Solutions. So you need to change that to whatever the URL is of the site that you're moving it over to. You need to change both of them. All right, now that that's done, we should be able to go to the website. And it's working. Now, the next step is you need to change the ads out at the top. So, let me see if I can log into this particular account. So you log into AdSense, go to ads. You may have to create an ad, but it doesn't matter what kind you create. I probably already created them on here. Yeah. All you need is just the number, so it doesn't matter what kind of ad you create. So just copy this number right here. Just the number part. Now we need to go back to the file manager and find it. You want to go to public HTML, content, WP content, themes, and the auto care theme, usually the one they're using is always at the top. And we're going to edit the header file. So right here's header. We click on it, right click and hit edit. It's going to pull up this code. And you just need to replace this number right here with the one you just copied. Hit save. And that's it. After that, the ads should start showing up. It'll take a little while for the ads to be correlated. Usually it can take anywhere from 1 or 2 days up to 7 days.